is here to take care of your car. We give your car the deep clean. We are removing carbon from engine. If you are facing mileage, pickup, vibration problem in your car, so feel free to contact us without any hesitation. Please contact us for more information.